Only after full assessment, we then select the appropriate robot from our comprehensive portfolio. Starting from the requirement we collect during our on-site visit, we can recommend you the perfect robot for your specific needs. For instance, if your application involves complex tasks like assembly or packaging with challenging cycle time, we would likely suggest our RV-FR series of 6-axis articulated robot. These robots offer exceptional flexibility, allowing them to handle up to 80 kg applications that require adaptability across different workflow and format. During our feasibility study with Gemini, we can demonstrate exactly how this robot would navigate your production environment, showing you the precise movements and cycle time you can expect once implemented. Contact us today and experience robotics as a complete solution, not just hardware.